Do you need this satchel?
You could just leave it.
Anywhere you want.
Damn, that's what I need. Oh.
Alright, so we are in the Chaffalaya Basin today on some public land and taking a GoPro in. I'm not gonna be able to plug around that big old camera, but basically we got a north wind and it's about 58 degrees, which is good weather for this time of year for doing stuff like this. We have some T-Shot Dead Coyote made by Hevi Shot, and I've killed 2 pigs with it. It works great. I killed 3 pigs with it actually. Killed an 80-pound sow. As long as you get within 40 yards of the pigs, you'll be fine. You can kill them. But me and my sister, we're gonna walk far and wide and look for a pig, see what happens. She's never killed one before, so this would be a hell of a way to kill your first pig if she gets one. Pretty awesome. I'm pumped up. I might ditch this shirt. This is crazy. I think it's gonna be warm in about an hour and a half if I know Louisiana. So that's it. We'll see what happens.
How's that feel, bro? You pumped up?
I think you're more...
I'm pumped up, bro. I'm way more pumped up.
You're like, get down. Get down. Shoulder up.
We were here. Am I tripping? We're about right here. Might have been right here. I can't find the shell. Go down like that. Stand by the pig. Ashley's right there.
Like,
Yeah, we were coming this way and the wind's blowing like this. And I stopped and sniffed like a dog.
like a dog.
Yeah. And I looked over and